Brian was sitting outside his small rented room in Kale, one quiet evening thinking about his life. He had completed college 2 years earlier, but still had no permanent job. Every morning he woke up early hoping for a breakthrough, but every week ended with disappointment. He had tried dropping job application letters in offices around Nairobi, sending emails, and even asking friends to connect him with opportunities, but nothing serious came through. At first, Brian believed making money online was fake. Every day on social media, he saw people posting screenshots of huge earnings. Some claimed they earned 50,000 Kenya shillings in 1 week using only their phones. Others said they became rich after joining certain online groups. Brian tried some of those groups and quickly realized many were scams. Some demanded registration fees of 1,000 Kenya shillings, while others asked people to recruit friends before earning anything. One afternoon, Brian decided he was tired of wasting time chasing shortcuts. He wanted something real. Even if he only made 1,000 Kenya shillings online, he wanted proof that online work was possible. He started by using the small smartphone he had bought second-hand for 7,000 Kenya shillings. The screen had cracks and the battery drained quickly, but it still connected to the internet. Brian also had a cheap pair of earphones and a notebook where he wrote down ideas. His first step was learning. Instead of wasting time watching random videos online, he started watching educational videos about freelancing, online jobs, and digital skills. He learned that many successful online workers started small. Some earned only a few hundred Kenya shillings in the beginning before growing slowly. Brian discovered that the internet rewards consistency more than excitement. Most people quit too early because they expect fast money. The following week, Brian created a Gmail account specifically for online work. He then opened accounts on several freelancing websites. At first, he was confused because the platforms looked complicated. There were people from many countries competing for jobs. Some had years of experience and hundreds of positive reviews. Brian almost gave up after the first day. Then he remembered something important from one video he watched. The speaker said beginners should focus on simple tasks first instead of trying to compete with experts immediately. That advice changed everything. Brian began with small online tasks. He signed up for websites that offered micro-tasks such as surveys, image labeling, transcription, and simple writing jobs. The payments looked small. Some tasks only paid 30 Kenya shillings, while others paid 100 Kenya shillings. However, Brian realized small earnings could add up over time. Every morning he woke up at 5 o'clock. Before leaving to search for offline opportunities, he spent 2 hours online completing tasks. At night, he worked again using free internet hotspots near a shopping center. The first week was difficult. Some surveys rejected him after answering many questions. Some tasks disappeared before he could complete them. Internet bundles finished quickly. At one point, he felt frustrated because he had earned only 300 Kenya shillings after several days. But something important happened inside him. For the first time, he had earned money from the internet without paying anyone. That small success motivated him to continue. Brian then decided to learn one digital skill properly. After researching different options, he chose graphic design using Canva because it looked beginner-friendly. He watched tutorials every day and practiced by creating posters, business flyers, and social media posts. At first, his designs looked terrible. The colors did not match, and the text placement looked messy. But Brian kept practicing. After 2 weeks, he created an account on a freelancing platform and offered simple poster designs for 500 Kenya shillings each. Many days passed without any customer. Some people ignored his proposals completely. Then one evening, a small business owner from Mombasa contacted him. The business owner wanted a poster advertising second-hand shoes. Brian was nervous because it was his first real freelance project. He spent hours designing the poster carefully. He checked spelling mistakes several times and even asked a friend for feedback before sending it. The client liked the work. Brian earned 500 Kenya shillings from that single design. That night he could barely sleep because he finally believed online work was real. The following month, Brian combined different methods instead of depending on one income source. In the morning, he completed micro-tasks. During the afternoon, he practiced graphic design. At night, he searched for freelance jobs and learned content creation skills. He also started posting short videos on TikTok talking about affordable business ideas in Kenya. At first, nobody watched his videos. Some received fewer than 20 views. But Brian continued uploading consistently. One day, one of his videos about starting a smoky business went viral among Kenyan viewers. Thousands of people watched it within 2 days. His follower count increased quickly. Soon local businesses started contacting him to create promotional posters and social media videos. Brian realized that online income grows faster when people trust your skills publicly. His earnings slowly increased. Some weeks he made only 1,500 Kenya shillings, while other weeks he earned over 5,000 Kenya shillings. The amounts were not huge, but they changed his life slowly. He stopped borrowing fare from friends. He paid his own internet bundles. He even helped his younger sister buy school books. One of the biggest lessons Brian learned was the importance of avoiding scams. Along the journey, he met many fake opportunities online. Some promised guaranteed profits from cryptocurrency investments. Others claimed people could become rich overnight through betting systems or fake trading platforms. Brian noticed a pattern. Most scams used pressure and excitement. They wanted people to act quickly without thinking carefully. Real online work was different. Real online work required patience, learning, and consistency. Brian also learned the importance of professionalism. Even when clients paid small amounts, he treated every project seriously. He replied politely, submitted work on time, and corrected mistakes when necessary. Those small habits brought repeat customers. One customer referred him to another customer. Another customer recommended him in a WhatsApp business group. Slowly, Brian built a small online reputation. After several months, Brian upgraded his smartphone. Later, he bought a second-hand laptop for 22,000 Kenya shillings, using savings from online work. The laptop allowed him to work faster and apply for bigger freelance projects. He learned basic video editing and started helping YouTube creators edit short videos. Some projects paid 2,000 Kenya shillings, while others paid over 5,000 Kenya shillings. Brian still remembered how excited he felt earning his first 1,000 Kenya shillings online. That first milestone gave him confidence that his future could change. Many young people around him still believed online work was impossible unless someone was famous or rich. Brian understood why they thought that way, because he once believed the same thing. The truth was simpler. Most successful online earners started small. They began with cheap phones, slow internet, limited skills, and many failures. What separated successful people from others was consistency. Brian's journey also taught him the importance of learning valuable skills. The internet changes quickly. Skills that were profitable in 2022 became less valuable later. New opportunities appeared every year. Artificial intelligence jobs became more common. Companies needed workers to train systems using text, images, and audio. Online writing evolved. Short-form content became powerful. Digital marketing skills became highly valuable. Brian made it a habit to keep learning continuously. He also discovered that discipline mattered more than motivation. Some days he felt tired and discouraged. Sometimes projects were rejected. Some clients disappeared without paying. Internet problems interrupted work. Yet he continued moving forward because he understood that progress takes time. As months passed, Brian noticed another important change. Online work had improved his confidence. He communicated better, solved problems faster, and became more independent. Eventually, he started teaching friends how to begin online work safely. He warned them against shortcuts and scams. He encouraged them to focus on building skills instead of chasing fake promises. One friend started earning through transcription. Another learned social media management. Another began selling digital notes online. Brian realized something powerful. The internet had created opportunities that did not depend heavily on background, connections, or expensive education. A determined person with internet access could slowly build something meaningful. Of course, online work was not always easy. Competition remained high. Some months were slower than others. Technology kept changing. However, the opportunities continued growing for people willing to adapt. Brian's story spread among people in his estate. Some laughed when they first heard he worked online using his phone. Later, those same people started asking him questions about freelancing and online income. One evening, Brian sat quietly outside the same room where he once felt hopeless. This time, things felt different. He was not rich, but he had direction. He had proof that small, consistent actions could change someone's life slowly. He opened his phone and checked his earnings from several platforms. The total was far beyond his first 1,000 Kenya shillings milestone. He smiled because he remembered how impossible that first goal once seemed. For many beginners, the first 1,000 Kenya shillings online is more than just money. It is proof that opportunities exist. It is proof that learning digital skills matters. It is proof that patience and consistency can create change. Many people spend years waiting for perfect opportunities while ignoring small beginnings. Yet most successful journeys start with simple actions repeated daily. A student using a smartphone in Kisumu can learn graphic design online. A young mother in Nakuru can manage social media accounts remotely. A college graduate in Eldoret can become a freelance writer. A creative young person in Nairobi can grow an audience through TikTok or YouTube. The internet has created possibilities that were difficult to imagine years ago. However, success still requires honesty, discipline, patience, and learning. There are no magical shortcuts. Brian's story reminds people that the beginning may look small and slow, but every expert was once a beginner. Every successful freelancer once had 0 clients. Every content creator once had 0 followers. The important thing is starting. Even today, many Kenyans continue earning online through freelancing, digital marketing, virtual assistants, online tutoring, content creation, affiliate marketing, and artificial intelligence training jobs. Some start with only 50 Kenya shillings worth of internet bundles. Some use borrowed devices. Some work at cyber cafes because they cannot afford home internet. Yet they continue because they understand one important truth. Small beginnings can lead to life-changing opportunities. Your first 1,000 Kenya shillings online may not arrive immediately. It may take days or weeks of effort. You may face rejection, confusion, and frustration, but every skill you learn increases your value in the digital economy. The online world rewards people who continue improving themselves. One small job can lead to a bigger opportunity. One video can attract thousands of viewers. One satisfied client can recommend many others. The journey often starts quietly with a simple decision to try, and sometimes that first 1,000 Kenya shillings becomes the beginning of an entirely new life.